YouTube has transformed into a vast content platform, and creating engaging videos is more important than ever. While a captivating idea and good production quality are crucial, the backbone of any successful video is a well-written script. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your video making skills, writing a YouTube video script ensures clarity, structure, and engagement. In this video, we'll dive into the step-by-step process of crafting the perfect YouTube video script that keeps your viewers hooked and drives action. Why writing a script is essential for YouTube videos. Before diving into the how, let's clarify why writing a script is so important. Many creators think they can wing it, but even the most spontaneous looking videos often have structured outlines behind them. Writing a script provides several benefits. 1. Keeps the video on track. A script ensures your video stays focused and doesn't go off topic. 2. Improves engagement. Well-organized content keeps viewers engaged, increasing the likelihood of higher watch times and likes. 3. Reduces editing time. Having a clear outline reduces mistakes or unnecessary takes, which helps cut down on editing. 4. Ensures you meet your goals, whether your goal is to educate, entertain, or encourage a call to action. A script keeps the end goal in mind. Step 1. Define your video's purpose and audience. Every good video script starts with a clear understanding of two essential things: the purpose of your video and the audience you're speaking to. Purpose. Are you creating a tutorial, an explainer video, a vlog, or a review? Every type of video serves a different goal, so it's important to clarify this from the outset. Ask yourself, what do I want the audience to take away from this video? Audience. Who are you speaking to? Your script should be written with a specific audience in mind. Think about their age, interests, problems, and expectations. The more precisely you target your audience, the more likely your content will resonate with them. For example, if your video aims to educate beginners about video editing software, your tone should be simple and approachable. On the other hand, a tech review for advanced users might include more technical jargon. Step 2. Structure your script. Once you have clarity on your audience and purpose, it's time to structure your script. A well-organized video typically follows this basic structure. 1. Hook first 5 to 10 seconds. The first few seconds of your video are critical. Viewers decide quickly whether they'll continue watching or not, so the hook needs to grab their attention. Start with a bold statement, a provocative question, or an intriguing teaser of what's to come. Consider these opening lines. Are you tired of spending hours editing your videos only to end up with a mediocre result? In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the easiest way to double your productivity. By directly addressing a problem, presenting a bold claim, or teasing valuable content, you can ensure your viewers will want to stick around. 2. Introduction 1530 seconds. After the hook, introduce yourself and establish the credibility of your video. Keep this section short but informative. Example: Hi, I'm your name, and today I'm going to walk you through the best tips for writing an effective YouTube video script. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these strategies will help you write scripts that captivate your audience. 3. Main content 3 to 5 minutes. The main content of your video is where you'll deliver on the promises made in the hook and introduction. Break your content into manageable chunks or key points. This section should be highly organized with clear transitions between topics to keep the viewer engaged. For example, point 1. Start with research. Emphasize the importance of researching the topic to understand what your audience is looking for. Spend some time on YouTube and search for videos on similar topics. What are the top performing videos doing well? What gaps can your content fill? Point 2. Create an outline. After research, outline the main points you want to cover. While outlining helps to ensure you don't miss any key points and keeps the content structured. Think of this like the skeleton of your video. Point 3. Write conversationally. Unlike formal presentations, YouTube scripts should feel conversational. When writing, imagine you're speaking to a friend. Avoid using overly complex language, just keep it casual and easy to follow. Be sure to break the content into bite-sized segments that are easy for the viewer to digest. Visual cues, such as titles or bullet points in post-production, can help guide your viewers through the key points. 4. Conclusion 30 seconds. As you approach the end of your video, recap the main takeaways and provide a closing statement. This not only helps reinforce the information, but also ensures the viewer leaves the video feeling like they've gained value. Example: to recap, writing a YouTube video script involves defining your purpose, structuring your content, and writing in a conversational tone. By following these steps, you can create engaging, purposeful videos that captivate your audience. 5. Call to action CTA. Your CTA is what you want your viewers to do next. Do you want them to subscribe, leave a comment, watch another video, or visit your website? Be specific and compelling. Example: if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, comment below with your biggest challenge when it comes to writing scripts. Step 3. Write the script. With your structure in place, it's time to write the actual script. Keep the following in mind as you write. 1. Be conversational. Remember, YouTube is an informal platform. Write the way you speak to make your content approachable. Avoid overly complicated sentences, jargon, or stiff language. Short sentences are easier for your viewers to follow, especially if you're delivering a lot of information in a short amount of time. Example: not conversational. In order to optimize your engagement metrics, it is imperative to align your content with audience expectations. Conversational. If you want people to stick around, you've got to create content they actually care about. 2. Time your script. On average, people speak at a rate of 130 to 150 words per minute. If your video is 3 minutes long, you'll need around 390 to 450 words. Keep this in mind as you write, and time yourself when reading your script aloud. 3. Include visual cues. Incorporate visual elements into your script, especially if your video will use B-roll, infographics, or text overlays. Visual cues help guide your editor or yourself during production and editing. Example: when I mention point 1, display a text overlay that says, Tip 1, start with research. 4. Keep it simple. Don't overload your video with too much information. Stick to 3 or 4 key points per video, and save any additional material for future content. Viewers have short attention spans, so less is often more. Step 4. Edit and revise your script. Once you've written your script, take a break and return to it with fresh eyes. Read it aloud, as this will help you identify any awkward phrasing or areas where the flow could be improved. Trim unnecessary parts. Is there a section that feels too long or irrelevant to the topic? Cut it. Simplify complex sentences. If a sentence feels too convoluted, simplify it to make it more digestible. Check for clarity. Are your ideas presented in a clear and logical sequence? Step 5. Rehearse before filming. Before you hit record, rehearse your script several times. Familiarize yourself with the flow, and feel free to make small adjustments if something doesn't sound right when spoken aloud. If possible, record a practice run to see how it translates on camera. Step 6. Add spontaneity and personality. While it's important to follow your script, don't be afraid to inject some spontaneity into your delivery. A little off-the-cuff humor or ad-libbing can make your content feel more authentic and relatable. Audiences respond well to personality, so let yours shine through. Conclusion: crafting a YouTube video script is both an art and a science. By following these steps, defining your purpose, structuring your content, writing conversationally, revising thoroughly, and rehearsing, you'll create videos that not only engage your audience, also drive the actions you want. Writing a script might feel like extra work at first, but over time, it will become second nature, and your videos will only improve because of it. So grab a notebook, start scripting, and watch your YouTube channel flourish. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you all in the next video.